Ifip, the French Institute for Pig and Pork Industry, is the technical tool of the different trades of the national pig and pork industry, from small-scale and industrial pork products manufacturers to genetic firms, encompassing also animal feed, slaughtering and rearing. The Institute produces and transfers the technical and economic references that are needed for the management and the evolution of the industry's activities. Ifip is headed by the presidents of the professional organizations of the French porcine sector. The Institute's research and development activity is predominantly orientated towards the collective interests within the fields of competitiveness, sustainability, and innovation. Studies and services are financed through three main sources: public agencies, firms, and the interbranch organization INAPOR, which brings together all the different actors of the porcine sector to defend their interests and carry out collective actions. The Institute also benefits from the financial support of the National Rural and Agricultural Development Fund of the Ministry of Agriculture. It has been registered both as an agribusiness technical center and as an agricultural technical center. Research and development activity is divided between four fields: economy, meat and pork products, genetic improvement, and animal husbandry. Thus, Ifip remains attached to analyzing from fork to farm the issues facing the industry. The expertise of Ifip is supported by 50 engineers working together to provide comprehensive answers adapted to the user's needs. The Institute has developed specific skills applied to many areas to anticipate emerging needs. Anchored on the problems of its industry, the Institute nevertheless contributes to the organization of joint thematic activities, shared by the whole animal and vegetal sectors, as well as the agribusiness and the agricultural sectors. Ifip is attentive to consolidate its scientific relations with public research, aiming to mobilize knowledge for research and development and to contribute to guide research towards economic purposes. The European Commission research programs have become the collaborative support between Ifip and its European counterparts. The Institute is also involved in European working groups to share expertise and methods. The Institute assists French companies in developing their projects abroad, acting as a guarantee of the French know-how. Within 5 years, Ifip has been involved in international projects for a total amount of more than 50 million euros in favor of French companies. From 2015 to 2020, Ifip has set itself the goal to support the sector through the challenges it will have to face. Creating value from products on the French, European and international markets, and removing existing obstacles to the development of pig farming in France are the Institute's main objectives. These objectives will require the contribution of innovations, technical and economic watches and surveys, expertise, aid decision tools, services, and training. After 30 years of modernization through organization and technical expertise, the French pig industry now involves more than 100,000 direct jobs and generates a turnover of 12 billion euros. The future of the sector implies cooperation and modernization through the access to all markets, while taking into account the diversity of their requirements. And it's to this future that the Ifip will contribute by stimulating the competitiveness, the value creation, the innovation, and the sustainability of the pig industry.